Alright, so we're fixing to head out the door to go to the airport to go snow skiing or snowboarding. Let's go see what Amanda's doing. Oh, I can't go in the bedroom because I got shoes on. But it is 6 a.m., 6:30, and we need to go, so she needs to hurry up. Hey, what are you doing? Hurry up.
What are you doing?
Recording.
What?
Recording?
Did you take the trash out?
Yeah. Okay, that's it for now. We made it through security.
Finally.
They thought I was Jessica. They thought it was Jessica when we tried to check her bag, and then they thought I was Jessica when I tried to check in through security. Lincoln.
Hey, what's
What is that? Look.
Lincoln.
Say hi. You could go fly? He's combing your hair.
So we made it to Boston. There's Rick. Now we gotta find our luggage and our car. Our car is supposed to be at the airport, I think.
Supposed to be where?
At the airport.
So we got a minivan?
Yeah. Yep.
Hopefully all the luggage fits.
How many luggage did you bring? Two.
Plus these 2 bags.
Like 2 big ones, like giant ones?
1 big one and 1 medium.
How many did you bring? Okay.
We're bringing boots to Crimson.
Red or white?
Black.
White.
Black.
Yeah.
Where do you want to go?
Might have to be red.
Oh.
You can't tell you ride. Alright, thank you. Oh, that's it.
Where are we going? This one right here? This one right here? This is ours. So we're gonna get hit by a car. Open it. Go down below. No?
Hey.
Watch out!
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, we're going to put it on one of the bucket seats, but it's up to you guys.
Got it.
Got him.
Rick,
You can put that up front.
do you need that up front? Oh, okay. Is there a button? Find the button. Right there. Push the button. Oh my god. Ah! Oh no.
Good job, first lady. Put a hand on the bed.
right, try again, Rick. Oh man.
I would have fell flat on my face.
Y'all seen them skills, right?
What skills? You skating across the parking lot? Yeah.
Getting ready for that backpacking trip.
Yeah, that's what it's gonna feel like.
Yeah. I have to carry the team, is what it is. I'm carrying a person. Oh, that was when I see the videos. Yeah.
Yeah, that's when I had my my straightened hair.
Yeah, one's in the door.
See, she decides, I'm gonna make Rick a shot.
No, it's good.
You do a little bit of vodka and then a little bit, you look at this.
She does a whole bunch of vodka.
No, you got it wrong.
Oh yeah. New style butt plug.
That's right. Taking this to the 21st century. Well, 22nd, 23rd, I don't know what the hell it is.
Next.
Is it the
Just
22nd?
say the next
I
century.
don't know. The 20th century.
21st.
PJ's on.
Oh no,
Wait.
this is first still the 21st.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
When
the
did-
2000s.
Yeah, the 2000s was
It's
21st.
21.
Yeah.
I mean,
You drinking now?
And then
We're always
21
drinking.
All right,
is the
Stop asking questions.
Ooh.
I know who's sleeping on the couch tonight.
Got me and
With
Jessica
you.
in bed. In the middle.
You got a key? Key?
Amanda's got one.
I got one. Kawasaki green, baby. Only color that matters.
Why you
Yeah, we have the
why
key.
you got a black can in then?
I mean, Kawasaki was black too, right? I got a Kawasaki dirt bike. That's all about.
But you specifically said
What?
Kawasaki green.
Specifically
Yeah.
Yeah. Speaking of that, I can't even say what he said. Specifically.